Hello everyone who's watching this video. So today, here we have cash register Euro-50, which you have surely seen in various shops. Let's take a look together. In the box we can find SD memory card, some documentation like user manual and certificates, the cash register and the power charger. First impression is really great because it is handily shaped and fits well in your hand, so I can imagine that it will be comfortable for everyday use all day long. As you can see, it is quite compact and it does not require much space, so we can place it anywhere and use it, for example in retails and in out-of-home sales. The top of the cash register is made of high-quality plastic materials and has a rugged construction for long-term daily use. The keyboard is made of silicone and has large clear buttons with easy understandable symbols. There are no gaps between the buttons, which is great because no dirt gets there. We can also easily clean the entire surface of the cash register. Let's take a look at what is at the bottom. We can see several ports here. Charging port where we connect power adapter is on the left side. On the right, there is a port for connecting the cash register to the computer if we want to read and download the data. On both sides, there is a space for the other two optional ports, for connecting digital scale, payment terminal or other external devices. There is also a version with a built-in Wi-Fi or GPRS connection available. Let's go back to the front side of cash register, where we can see a thermal printer. Thanks to modern drop-in system, changing of the paper tape is really easy. Pleasant surprise is the fact that the first paper tape is also a part of full package, so we can immediately start with the billing. Cash register has built-in accumulator which provides great mobility. Accumulator is hidden under this coverage and is also changeable. At the same place you can also find port for SD card. The alphanumerical operator display was activated and there's a display for customer too. As you can see, displays are easily readable with large enough symbols. Let's take a look how to do the billing process. Here we have printed cash receipt. The print is really fast and reliable. Depending on the version of cash register, the device can have up to 2000 price lookup codes. Presented cash register is in black color, but is also produced in white design. You can also buy various accessories such as bags, keyboard covers or cable for car charging connector on ELCOM website. Okay, so this was the first look at cash register Euro-50. Thank you so much for watching and we are looking forward to meet you in our next videos.